Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Runaway Bay, Jamaica. Runaway Bay is in St. Anne on the north coast of Jamaica. And we are looking at the Bahia Principe Hotel. This is the largest hotel in Jamaica. It has 1,350 rooms. Very nice resort. Now, the owners of this hotel, the Pinero Group, recently announced that they will be investing an additional US $1.5 billion to build two more hotels in St. Anne, Jamaica. So they are so pleased with what's going on in Jamaica, the returns they're getting from this existing hotel, that they will be spending 1.5 billion US to build two more hotels. Now, the tourism industry in Jamaica is booming. Almost every major hotel chain in Jamaica is building a new hotel. There is no other Caribbean country that has this level of investment in tourism that Jamaica is getting. Now, Jamaica doesn't have the most hotel rooms in the Caribbean yet, but at a rate the industry in Jamaica is expanding, or the rate at which these rooms are being built, these billion-dollar hotels going up, it's just a matter of time before Jamaica has the most hotel rooms in the Caribbean. Today, it's the Dominican Republic that has the hotel rooms. I think they have 80,000 hotel rooms. Jamaica currently has 30,000, but 20,000 are under construction, and almost every other day you hear about some other investment or development in tourism in Jamaica. So we are going to go through an article that gives you more information on the two new hotels to be built by the Bahia Resorts. More than 14,000 temporary and long-term jobs are expected to be generated from the planned multifaceted resort development in St. Anne by Spanish hotel chain the Pinero Group, which owns the Bahia Principe Grand Jamaica. Tourism Minister Honorable Edmund Bartlett, who met with the group's principals in Madrid, Spain, to discuss the project, said it will be more economic and social benefits for the country and at the community level. Details of the development were formally presented to Prime Minister the Most Honorable Andrew Holness last year. It will provide a mix of hotel rooms and villas, a professional golf association PGA certified 18-hole golf course, a state-of-the-art fisherman's village, farms, modern employee residences, educational facilities, among other facilities and amenities. It will be a game changer for Jamaica's tourism and help us to be prepared for the influx of visitors expected to the island. It also shows the confidence that our hotel partners have in the destination and is very much in line with our plans for an additional 10,000 hotel rooms over the course of the next 5 years, Minister Bartlett said. He commended the Pinero Group for their long-standing commitment to Jamaica, noting that the Bahia Principe, located in Discovery Bay, St. Anne, is Jamaica's largest hotel with 1,350 rooms. He said the group is always seeking to expand and to invest in the communities in which they operate. The meeting included Chief Executive Officer of the Pinero Group, Encarna Pinero, Chairman of Jamaica Tourist Board, John Lynch, Senior Advisor and Strategist in the Tourism Ministry, Delana Seavright, and Public Relations and Communications Manager, JTB, Fiona Fennell. Alright, guys, so that is the end of the update article. So, this investment speaks volumes about what's going on in Jamaica. Alright, guys, let us know what you think. Remember to leave your comments in the section below. Alright, guys, have a good day.